Today, on our 22nd episode, we will be having the Rusi TC-175, including the specifications of TC-150 and TC-125. This is a brand new episode of exclusive Moto Walkaround series where we give exclusive information and specifications of released, unreleased, demos, and concept bikes of Rusi motorcycles. But before we get into it, if you haven't checked out our last episode, you can click the card above. Going back, the dimensions. The Rusi TC-175 has a length, width, and height of 1,980 by 745 by 1,040 millimeters, wheelbase of 1,260 millimeters, 160 millimeters minimum ground clearance, 104 kilograms dry weight, and a curved mass of 98 kilograms. Getting in touch with the bike, our height reference is 5 feet 4 tall. The motorcycle has 792mm seat height and a max load capacity of 150 kilograms. You can also see here the handlebar position and as well as the turning radius. Going on to its lights, its headlight assembly is bulb. Front and rear left-right position lights are all bulb. Taillight assembly is bulb and rear license light assembly is bulb. On its instrument, we have speedometer gauge, indicators, hazard indicator, neutral and gear indicator, and the odometer. The tires. Its front tire size is 2.75/17. It has a drum front brake system. The front suspension is telescopic fork. On the rear tire, we have a size of 3.0/17. Rear brake system of drum. The wheel type is a spoke. Next is the engine specification of TC-125. The engine type is single-cylinder, air-cooled, 4-stroke. 124cc displacement, 56.5 bore, 49.5 stroke. Max power of 7.2 kilowatts at 9,000 RPM. Max torque of 8.3 Nm at 7,500 RPM. We have a 5-speed return shift transmission, 1 liter engine oil capacity, 9.5 liter fuel tank capacity, and a max speed of 95 km per hour. Fuel consumption of less than or equal to 2.1 liter at a constant 60 km speed. Here is the engine specification of TC150. 149cc displacement, bore of 62, stroke of 49.5, max power of 8.2 kilowatts at 8,500 RPM, max torque of 9.8 Nm at 7,500 RPM, fuel consumption of less than or equal to 2.5 liters at a constant 60 km speed. The fuel tank capacity is 8.5 liters. And lastly, the engine specification for TC175. It has a 175cc displacement, bore is 62, stroke is 58, max power of 8.8 kilowatts at 8,000 RPM, max torque of 12.0 Nm at 6,500 RPM, and a fuel consumption of less than or equal to 2.5 liter at a constant 60 km speed. The fuel tank capacity is 8.5. The Rusi TC is already released in the market. The price for TC125 is 40,000, for TC150 it's 43,000, and for TC175, 45,000. It's available in colors blue, black, and red. And if you have any questions with regards to Rusi TC125, 150, and 175, you can comment down below. For more Rusi motorcycle updates, please do like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to also like our Facebook page, Mitch Moto Vlogs. The link is in the description below. We also invite you to join our Facebook group, Moto Enthusiast Group, which the link is also in the description below. And again, this is the episode 22 of exclusive Moto Walkaround series. Thank you.